Hi, hello everyone. So let's continue with the topics. Here are the few more excellent features about the Scala. So mainly Scala programming language is mainly created by Martin Odesky. You know, right? He is the father of even Java C. So he got influenced by Java, Ruby, ML, many other languages. You know, right? So it's a pure object-oriented language. It's a programming language. It's a OOPS programming language. Okay. So here everything is an object in the Scala. Even though we have all the variables here defined, whatever defined in the Scala, those are all are the objects. And also every operator is a method here in the Scala. So mainly two things which we would like to remember. So first thing is it's a completely objective oriented language, OOPS language. No, if you guys are familiar with the C++ objective oriented programming language, or even Java, if you know the basics of Java, that would be very really helpful to go through this Scala language. So it's a pure object-oriented programming language. Every variable is an object and every operator is a method. So it's also functional programming language, not only objective-oriented programming language. So here we have very special features in the Scala compared to other languages. So you can pass functions around the variables. So you can pass functions as a variables inside functions. You can write your code using objective-oriented programming language or functional programming language, or when you are creating your projects, you can use both languages, both objective as well as functional. So you can create functions and you can apply all OOPS related concepts inside Scala. So Scala, as you already aware, many people, Scala code runs on the JVM, right? So here even whatever Java libraries we have already existed and those have been developed many years ago, right? So those and all, most of the libraries, Java libraries, you can use in the Scala. So that's a very good option which we have in Scala. So even if you know already Java, you can use most of the libraries, Java libraries inside Scala, right? And also, so it's a very easiest and we have very excellent features. And if you go in depth also, so development wise, developers can have the flexibility to write code with the very minimal. So they can write same code whatever we are writing in Java, hundreds of lines, we can achieve in Scala with some minimal lines. It's a 10 to 15 lines something, okay? And also, there are lot of better, easiest ways to handle the code, to writing the code in Scala. So once you adopt to the Scala, so Scala will change the way you think, you write about the programming language in very best manner. So we have many Scala benefits. And also it lets you to write concise readable code. And also it will allow you to write very minimal code and it's pretty good to read.